Okay, hello friends, and very good morning to all. Today is Sunday morning. Today I have bring up to you a very special things you guys must have guessed it correct from the thumbnail itself. Yeah. So finally I have built my dream PC. You can see all the parts. I have kept it just to showcase you what exactly things I have used on this PC. As this is my dream PC, the whole day I have spent to configure it. I know I didn't know about how to do PC building and all, but I have learned it and eventually made this PC. Okay, if you can see how it was looking, and I'll put cinematics to showcase you the beauty of this PC. Okay, so what we have done in this PC is this PC have Aorus motherboard X570. It's an Elite Wi-Fi gaming edge motherboard. It comes with an inbuilt Wi-Fi. I have used an Gigabyte gaming OC's RTX 3080 as a graphics card. It's a 10 GB graphics card with 3 fans, and along with it I have used Ryzen 9 5900X as a processor with HyperX 16 GB each. It's around 32 GB 3600 megahertz RAM with Aorus Generation 4 1 terabyte hard disk, along with Seagate Barracuda's 2 terabyte SSD. So Aorus part, to be very correct, Aorus next generation's SSD I have used it for, that is 1 terabyte, and to power up this beast I have used this Corsair 850 Gold series, which comes with 80 plus certifications. I'll tell you the detailed specification why it has been said as an 80 plus. I'll tell you the details of all those products which I have used it. I've used this Cooler Masters Master Liquid AIO cooler, along with 3 extra fans which comes that's also from the Cooler Master itself. That's a SicklePro 120 RPMs ARGB. Everything is ARGB. It's been controlled by a controller. And what more? Okay, the main thing is you can see the case. It's Lian Li's ROG certified case. Okay, and for monitor I have used BenQ's PD2700U. That's a 4K monitor, and it comes with 100% sRGB. I know the frequency range is very small, but this is an IPS panel with around 60 to 75 megahertz of response rate. That's okay. I know that's not exactly a gaming PC because we can do it later on, and anytime we can get 144 Hz of any of the panels like USD or anything apart from that. But for IPS, the technology is still keep on evolving, and I got it at a very competitive price, and I'll tell you the detailed price of what exactly it took me to procure it and how did I bargain. I got everything in a very economical price as per the current market scenario. You must be knowing that nobody has this Gigabyte 3080 right now in their stock. Those people who have, they are asking like huge, which you cannot even afford it. So anyways, let me show you this. Guys, finally I bought my dream PC. I'll tell you all the configurations and why I am saying it as a dream PC. The main factor is like I am still not happy with the thing. It's why? Let me show it to you. Come. See guys, कैसे ये लोग केबल मैनेजमेंट किए हैं. अगर इसको केबल मैनेजमेंट बोला जाता है तो what more I can say about these peoples. Like, to be very honest, ये लोग टोटल उड़ीसा में, नॉट उड़ीसा, आज से कि भुवनेश्वर पे सभी बंदों का पीसी असेंबल कर रहे हैं और इन लोगों को केबल मैनेजमेंट नहीं पता, जिसके वजह से आई हैड वन मोर कूलर मास्टर फैंस. दैट्स अ सेट ऑफ 3. इट्स कमिंग अप. आई एम अनेबल टू फिक्स इट बिकॉज दे सेड लाइक देयर इज नो एक्सटेंडेड cables which we can add it. But the thing is they have not yet checked, because when I started digging into it, inside that cooler master fan itself, it has already given the extended cables which we can connect it so to this hub. This is a fan hub, Cooler Master's fan hub. I am extremely disappointed कि ये लोग इतना कॉस्टली पीसी ऐसा बना के दिए हैं. और स्पेसिफिकली टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, द पर्सन इन चार्ज हु वाज डूइंग इट, ही डजंट नो कि AMD 5000 सीरीज का प्रोसेसर अगर हम लोग X570 के किसी भी मदरबोर्ड पे डालेंगे, उससे मदरबोर्ड को पहले बायोस फ्लैश करना होता है. बट दैट गाय डजंट हैव दैट आइडिया. व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग हिम टू डू दैट, ही इज फाइटिंग विथ मी, इज आर्ग्यूइंग विथ मी दैट इट्स नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. दिस काइंड ऑफ नॉलेज दे हैव, दिस काइंड ऑफ यूजलेस पीपल आर देयर. सो गाइज, सो please be alert while putting your money on those things, those stupid idiots. To be very honest, they are bloody idiots who don't know anything how to handle these PCs, because this is a 4 lakhs PC and they don't know anything how to assemble it. And at the end they are saying what they are saying. It's like, sir, आपके जैसा अगर PC मल्टीपल आएगा तभी हमारा एक्सपीरियंस बढ़ेगा. What are we the bloody chutias who are purchasing this so much amount of things from your shop, and you are giving me this kind of lame excuses that you don't have that kind of experience to handle this level of PC. So मैंने उसको एक्चुअली ये बोला कि भाई तू ये PC तूने असेंबल किया करके अपने रिज्यूमे में डाल दे, कोई अच्छा सा कंपनी तुझे ले लेगा सर्विस में. एनीवेज, जोक्स अपार्ट, चलो इसको हम खोलते हैं पूरा. So guys, this is Cooler Master's extra fan which I have ordered. This comes in a series of 3. This is a total ARGB lighting fan. It's been controlled over a master hub is there. So this is what we have decided to fix it into it, because Ryzen 95900 is very good in industry in releasing it. You know that. Anyways, chalo, let's open this box. Come. क्या है इस पर देखते हैं. सही. Okay. Lovely. There's 3 fans are there. 1, 2, कॉफ़ी। एक मिनट, मैं इसको सब सेट कर देता हूँ तो दिखा सकते हैं अपन लोग। तो अब शुरू करते हैं सेटिंग्स। चलो मैं बैठ जाता हूँ पहले अच्छे से। तो गाइज ये देखो कंप्लीट कैसा केबल मिसमैनेजमेंट ये लोग किए हैं, और ये लोग प्रोफेशनल लेवल पे कंप्यूटर बेचते हैं इन लोगों को। दिस गाइज डोंट नो हाउ एग्जैक्टली टू do a cable management, and specifically I have given them a Lian Li cabinet and that's ROG certified. So इससे बेटर तो केबल मैनेजमेंट का सिस्टम किसी भी कैबिन में नहीं है, किसी भी कैबिनेट में नहीं मिलेगा। ये लोग क्या किए हैं देखो, साला गू करके रखा हुआ है गंदा पूरा, रियली मैशी। एनीवेज सबको ठीक करेंगे, चलो नाइस। Okay, so guys, finally I am able to achieve something, and सुबह से शाम हो गया भाई। It's not a big task, but the thing is I was missing something. It's just a minor mistake. I've been keep on searching, वो नहीं मिल रहा था, but finally एक चीज़ पता चला। सारा केबल चेक किया तो एक जगह पे लूज कनेक्शन था, जिसके वजह से ऊपर का लाइट नहीं जल रहा था। सो नाउ यू कैन सी आई हैव ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल्ड द 3 फैंस बिलो। इट्स ARGB, इट्स ऑटोमेटिकली चेंजिंग द कलर्स। Okay, so you can see the above fan. This is a AIO cooler fan. So everything is in sync. You can see there is this gigabyte light is in sync with the upper fan, and upper fan is in sync with the motherboard. The lower one was not synced just because the cable was really short, so we have to connect it to the direct controller of the cooler master. So from there itself we can change it. See, you just look at the lower fan. If I just change it on the controller, here itself you can change it from your controller. The thing is, so finally it's all done. You won't believe that those guys were unable to fix this fan. They were saying like we don't have any extended controller and all anything, without even looking at it. This kind of professionalism they are doing it at Bhubaneswar. So guys, remember, don't fall trap for those assholes. They are really not worth your attention and your money, because your hard-earned money is with you. You should be wise enough to decide where exactly to invest or where exactly to put it. Thing is, the whole day, the complete day was burned down. But anyways, that's good. A very good experience for me. I had never done this PC assembling any of the time. So this is my first time I have been doing it. I had to read lot of things. I had to go through lot of videos on the YouTube. Definitely I do follow different technical channels, so they have really helped me out in figuring out all those things. So I was able to assemble the complete PC with the help of those things. So now I know where exactly and which things to fit it to get it done. So guys, let's see some cinematics over here. Stay tuned.